What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we have an update with the Redcat RDS. We got an RC4GS V3 from Radio Link. This thing is super easy to set up. It came with its own little receiver board so we could plug everything in there and get the channel 3 gyro function working properly. So like I said, once you get it all plugged in and you turn it on, it binds and works right away. Your inputs might be on reverse, but that's super easy to change on the remote itself. So I also decided to tackle the alignment, and I went with the Roadside RC, the first version alignment settings. So we're getting this dialed in. It's a little bit of a pain to mess with. I can see why everyone moves to the Yokomo stuff because it moves real freely and easy. Good little tip is on the back side of the wrench that it comes with, you can unscrew the ball ends on here. That way you don't need no extra tools to do anything here but a caliper like I use. So I already did one side and I took my time and then went to the other. That way I had one side for reference and not mess myself up. So pretty cool setup. He has an awesome video on it. I highly recommend it. And big tip here, go ahead and move this one onto the inside closest to the turnbuckle itself. Like I said, you could just use the wrench, take it off and plug it right back in, screw it in, and it's good to go. So as you can see with the brand new alignment, the Ackerman is nice and open, not too much. We got that lead wheel turning almost a full 90 degrees. This is going to help keep that butt end of the car out on the corner. And now a good thing is we have adjustable Ackerman, so if you want to run more or less, you can move it forward or back. Definitely don't forget to adjust your bottom links as well. You got to change those up, and as you can see, like I mentioned before, here on the upgraded aluminum servo horn, you can see the adjustment for the Ackerman. So with all those changes, we headed out to Seven Tails, the local track in Oviedo Mall, and we got to sliding. I went with my buddy Eric, who just got his RMX 2.5 RTR as well, and we had a absolute ball at this place, getting to learn our vehicles. Now I will say my car is like doing a little like suspension lifting at full lock on the front, and it turns out that's still the stock ball ends, so I'm definitely gonna have to try and get that sorted. As you can see here, we are throwing it in, trying to get this little key tag. It's so much fun. Guys, I highly recommend, especially now for the month of September. We're coming to an end. This deal isn't gonna last forever. This car is $227, a couple bucks on shipping, slap some batteries in it. Definitely get the aluminum servo horn and you can rip at your track all day long. The links will be in the comments below, so definitely check that out if you're interested. And we still got more stuff to come. I did end up finally getting the rear wheels for my car, because like I said, it was a 2-pack instead of a 4-pack, but don't worry about that. We got the new wheels coming and also a new remote, because after I shot this video, I accidentally dropped my Radio Link on the ground and it busted the wheel on it. So instead of just waiting for a replacement, I got a refund, and I now have a Fly Sky FS G7P, and I actually threw like an aftermarket wheel on that as well. So you guys are gonna see that in an upcoming video. We're gonna take this back to the track, have some more fun, dial the car in some more, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.